How to use a vacuum. At some point in our lives, we have used a vacuum. There is not much difference from across the brands. However, there are key points that should be considered for effectiveness and to keep your company Hoover in good condition. Before you obtain the vacuum, you should check the area for any large piece of debris or rubbish on the floor. Collect these first while inspecting the area. Next, collect the vacuum from the cleaning cupboard. Before vacuuming, you need to pull the length of the cable fully out, checking for a broken or ripped cable. Your cable should not show any visible damage. Ensure you check the plug and its pins before plugging the machine into the mains power supply. If there is damage, then put the Hoover back. Report the damage on the system and update the client. You should try to use an alternative method like using a second Hoover on site or dustpan and brush. You should also check that the Hoover bag is not full, checking to see if there is space within the bag for your job. The bag should not exceed 80% full. Replace the Hoover bag by pulling the old bag away and reattaching a fresh bag in the same method. The filter that sits above the bag should also be cleaned regularly. Take the filter out like this and push with a blue brush in outside area. Once the filter is clean, the bag is checked or replaced and there are no visible damage to your vacuum, you may now use the machine. Locate a plug socket which is empty. Do not unplug any client machine or device without formal approval. It is important that you do not vacuum with a stretched or stressed cable. Always use a caution sign in hallways, stairwell, or areas in which people are at risk of falling over the wire. After you have finished using your vacuum, ensure that you've removed any blockages or items that may cause an issue and store in an appropriate manner in the cleaning cupboard.